Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Imitation, work as a special educator at Sunshine Speech and Occupational Therapy Center. So today we are going to discuss about imitations. Imitations means copying someone's behavior, actions, or doing something in a similar way. Imitations basically 5 तरह के होते हैं. First one is gross motor imitation. Second one is fine motor imitation. Third is oral imitation. Fourth is sound imitation. And fifth is object imitation. First one is gross motor. Do this. 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 Second one is fine motor imitation. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Third one is oral imitation. Do this. Fourth one is sound imitation. A, O, E, U, A. Fifth one is object imitation. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this.